Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you understand the danger of the ransomware, which is called cyber puffing. Cyber puffing is a special ransomware that now attacks many Windows computers all over the world. This video is a demonstration. It's for the educational purposes. I'm not promoting this ransomware and I'm not related to it. So the ransomware affects the files and damages them. You can open them without troubles before the ransomware attack. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this cyber puffing ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then pretty soon users realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware horribly affects these files and damages them. And it is called cyber puffing because it adds this special cyber puffing extension. As I said, it's not possible to use the data. The ransomware tells its victims to pay a special ransom to restore the files, but you should not pay the ransom. Don't waste your money because paying the ransom does not guarantee any file recovery. Don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the application. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware, but it does not restore your files. No, it does not. But it can help you remove this ransomware and to protect your computer from further malware attacks. So click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. The scanning duration itself takes some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how powerful your computer is, and it may also depend on some other factors. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you would see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium, and you may always request for the free trial in order to fully evaluate the features and to keep your computer and your data always protected from any other possible malware attacks.